Thai kumi na neshia hwaine na giteo kinenege kunyita ugeni na makeria ta mohoro-ini maitu maithari ri gumenyithio ta uria bururi wa Kenya uragethi na mbere na gukiriuga ni mihoko wakwa ati ni utinditie thayo na makeria ni urathi na mbere na gutona hamwe na ithu wega ni ndagiuka gumenyithia o ta uria ngugikwireire na giteo kinene tukurika kiondo-ini gitu kia mohoro na ni ati President William Ruto miaraho ya muthenya wa umuthi ni akorwo akiariria bururi wa Kenya na makeria kuria akorwo akiruta rendekithia kana mendekithia matiganite ari hamwe na gutigirira ati mathukuru matigukorwo makihingurwo gwa kahinda kana nginyanagia kahinda karia thirikari gukorwo ikianirira gukiri uguo President William Ruto ni akorwanirira ati andu ari othe maikaraga kuria kuri na muniko wa mai megukorwo magithamio guko akiuga ati ogitiganite ni igutithiriria ari gutigirira ati ni ciakinyaniria undu uyu gukiri uguo President William Ruto ethi na mbere na ukiuga ati andu ari othe maikaraga hakuhi na demu ni megukorwo magithamio itemini riao gukorwo makihiranio no gwati uyu agithi na mbere na kuga ati thirikari yake ni gutithiriria na njira nene andu ari othe mahutitio ni muiyuro uyu wa mai na gitio kinene tugukorwo tugithikiria mundu gwitwo President William Ruto na makiria meri yake kuri bururi kuma kuria thingiraini wa iregi na makiria miaraho ya umuthi.
Marine activities in the Indian Ocean and settlement along the Kenyan coast. Our country must act decisively and swiftly to mitigate the devastating impacts of the present crisis and protect life and property. The loss of human life, displacement of people, and destruction of property has been most profound within fragile ecosystems on which the government has taken the following steps. First, the government has mapped out 178 dam and water reservoirs situated within public and private lands in 33 counties, which are already full and present imminent danger to adjacent settlements and people. Second, areas prone to landslides and mudslides in various counties have been identified as high-risk areas from which the adjacent settlements have to be evacuated. Third, relocation notices have been issued to all persons living in unplanned settlements within riparian reserves along rivers, streams, and other water courses. Acknowledging the gravity of this unfolding situation, the Cabinet has met 3 times over the last 10 days to provide leadership on a whole-of-government response to this crisis. To support disaster
ripoti unajira ithiranite ni kumeamukira wona cihanda wega thaa imwe na ni cia hwaini na makiria ndumiriri ya President William Samoei Ruto na makiria miaraho ya umuthi na kuria korwo akiariria bururi wa Kenya kumanagia na maundu matiganite ari hamwe na muiyuro wa mai na ro hamwe na ripoti igi gucokereria kwa mathukuru na kuria korwo akiuga ati mathukuru megukorwo mahingitwo gwa kahinda gatoikaine nginyanagia hindi iria undu uyu gukorwo uginyitanira kana ugikinyanirio na njira iria yagireire tugithi na mbere. Minister wa urimi guku bururi-ini Mithika Linturi ni arikitie gwikio ngono ni maabitha ugaciro DCI rucini rwa umuthi oro hamwe na makiria kuria kuruhanitio na mahitia matiganite ari hamwe na kwagarara watho wa gwikinyia mbere ya maabitha ruhonge ruru itamini riake ria gucokia ciuria. Mithika Linturi akuruhanitio na Google ino mari hamwe na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini ruru rwa urimi no ria wikaine ta Paul Rono murugamiriri munene wa makumbi ma irio nyuma kana ma irio nyumu NCPB no ria wikaine ta Joseph Kimote. Haya, tukithina mbere ni ati President William Ruto ni agathiririe bunge ya gibururi-ini bunge ya 13 ni ikinyaria ria gutithiriria ari guthurima weru kigina kia ukuria wa matura kiria ikiuikaine na ritwa ringi ta NGCDF akiaria akigomano-ini kia ukungwiri wa 40 ya kigina giki kuma kirigurio kiayo President ni athite na mbere na kurutira mukana andu aria makoretwo makihuthira uru ona kana kugumia kigina giki akiuga ati thiko ciao ni ndari gukwa agitariria ati andu aria makoretwo makiugumia besha cia muingi ni megukorwo makioerwo makinya maruru ma kiwatho.
The focus we should have, and I'm talking to leaders because members of parliament are among the most senior leaders in Kenya, that we must focus on how the other 49 million Kenyans can also have a job. And that is why the CDF has been amended, and I want to thank Parliament, the National Assembly specifically, for amending CDF so that we can provide job opportunities in the digital space through our ICT hubs. Members, I want you to listen to me very carefully. You have an opportunity to get 300, 1,000, 5,000 people working in your constituency. You have an opportunity today to influence through NGCDF opportunities to be available in every ward in the Republic of Kenya. And I promise you, members, you don't need anything else. If you use CDF properly, you will be re-elected. Just that. Because CDF puts at your disposal close to 600 million in your term of 5 years. Friends, with 600 million, if you cannot win an election, then you, I mean, you have, wewe ni bure kabisa. Kabisa.
Rais President William Samoei Ruto muthenya wa muthini atongoririe kigomano kana igongona ria kuhitithio kwa munene wa mbiraru guku bururi-ini Charles Kahariri na ni thutha wake gukorwo akiamurwo ta murugamiriri munene wa mbutu na makiria mbiraru guku bururi-ini undu uria ukite na makiria thutha wa gikuo kia General Francis Ogola mundu ikaine ta Kahariri gukorwo agiteithiririo na munini wake General Omenda John Noria gukorwo wake kana ari ta munini wake. Kahariri amuritwo riri President William Ruto ugite ati nionanetie na makiria na njira nene gukindirika na kwendeka gwake na makiria wira-ini wake. Oho ni arikitie kwamura Paul Oworo ukorwo ari murugamiriri wa mbiraru cia maine guku nake Fatuma Gaiti Ahmed akiamurwo gukorwo ari murugamiriri wa mbiraru cia riera-ini.
Constitution of Kenya and all laws of the Republic, and that I will protect and uphold the sovereignty, integrity and dignity of the people of Kenya, and that I will diligently serve the people and the Republic without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, and or other influence.
John Omenda Mgaravai, Vice Chief of Defense Forces, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I'll be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya and to the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces.
I, Fatma Gaiti Ahmed, Commander of the Kenya Air Force, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya and to the President as the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces.
I, Major General Paul Oworo Tieno, Commander of the Kenya Navy, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya and to the President as the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces.
Kenya Defense Forces has a history of professionalism, a history of loyalty, commitment, and a history that speaks many positive things about the Republic of Kenya. I exhort you
to live up to that history and hold the Kenya Defence Forces in the high esteem that the people of Kenya hold the Kenya Defence Forces.
Haya, tukithiri na mbere ni ati mathomo irathi-ini cia junior secondary schools nicio JSS mahota gukorwo magitharana ni thutha wa arimu aria mathomo kana aria matithagiriria na makiria na njira nene na ritwa ringi maoikaine ta interns kuga ati maya gukorwo makiga miro yao the arimu aya mugite ati ni megutabania mirurungano kiumia giukite na kuria mugite ati mateta mao matikoretwo makiguo na makiria ni ruhonge rwa wandikani wa arimu guku bururi-ini T SC mugite ati kuria makoretwo makitungata matikoretwo kana maikarete gwa kahinda kamwe komwe na riu ningi makonekana ta gukorwo ati makiuga ati undu uyu ni wonekanite gukorwo uri mugaru na watho na makiria na uria mandikanire.
We want TSC to confirm us into PNP terms just like other teachers. Mogul's power. Number 2, we want TSC to obey the court order and compensate the 46,000 teachers for offering faithful services to the commission. Mogul's power. Thirdly, I also want to address the unions of Murang'a County, specifically Kupet and Nat. They have joined the oppressor when we are fighting for our rights. They are not joining the teachers in demanding for their rights at school.
Haya, na muthiani ati aikaria sabaki gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Magarini hari kaunti-ini ya Kilifi matigitwo na kihana ni thutha wa muti umwe wa kiunduire na uria hawa kana riu ni ucokete gutigwo riu urikitie gukorwo kiunikanga na gutigwo wanangitwo ni muyuro wa mai kumanagia na mbura nene iria ikoretwo igithii na mbere na guthandana na makiria guku bururi-ini muti uyu ukoretwo uri kiguciririo kinene na kiria ikoretwo gikirehera aikari acio mbeca kuona ati ni ukoretwo uri undu uria macungiririe ageni oro hamwe na agendi gukorwo magikinya mwena ucio muyuro uyu umanite na rũĩ rwa sabaki kuihura na riu ningi ugacungiriria ruo gukorwo runite na to ruo kuona ati njũĩ nyingĩ rĩu nicionekanĩte gukorwo ihutĩtio ni muyuro uyu wa mai.
Ana tulikuwa na janga la ule mbuyu wetu amekatililiwa Menza ambao ulikuwa na tufaidisha Sabaki nzima, vijana, wazee, wakina mama, sasa tulikuwa tunafanikiwa na hii baobab. Sasa hii hatuna kazi, maana mbuyu umeenda. Tuko hapa kwa bridge, hapa ndo mali kwetu kwa kazi. Huu mbuyu ulikuwa na 852 years. Yule mama amekatiliwa Menza, kiongozi wetu wa Giriama, alikuwa akijificha kwa hiyo baobab. Tuliona tu mbuyu kiinuliwa na maji. Maafrika ndo alisababisha huo mbuyu uende.
Kiangalia ile rasilimali ya wale vijana walikuwa wanapata kazi hapa. Sisi vijana walikuwa vijana 50 walikuwa wanazunguka hii mti. Kuna wale walikuwa wanapeleka watu trip ya kuangalia viboko. Kulikuwa na wale walikuwa wanapandisha wageni juu ya mti na kushukisha. Kuna wale walikuwa wanasafisha na wale wanauza vitu hapa. Sasa jamii huku imeumia. Na aswa Malindi pia ukiangalia county ile inaitwa Plan of Malindi Tour. Ilikuwa ni uanze Vasco da Gama ndio uje ukitoka huko unakuja Meketelili site. Sasa hii Meketelili site imetolewa na maji huko, imeletwa kama mita 700 pale tuko kutoka pale sehemu ilikuwako.
Please try to help. We have a boy that has been part of this community for many years. I've known him since he was a little boy, and there's a whole crew, a whole community surviving from him, helping and teaching people about the baobab. And the history of that baobab has been there for many years. And now he's devastated. He doesn't know what to do. Now he has zero to do life. You know, what do you do? All of the boys are flat. So please, if you have anything to help us with, I don't mean money, I mean support in some way.
Thaa 10 yunikite ndeka 15 kuma hindi iria twambiriirie hau ni gukorwo ngikira gaturumo mutamburuko witu wa mohoro na makiria ha ithaa-ini riri na ni gukwira ati riu ngukwendithĩria weekend ina irathimo cia Ngai na ngakwira ugithi na mbere na kwimenyerera riri kuonekanite gukorwo na muyuro munene wa mai turine itiganite nitugacemania na haha nawe wonaga igitukinyereria muthenya wa Monday kuona ciekana wona cihanda wega thaa imwe nginyanagia thaa 4 cia rucini koguo ngakwendithĩria weekend njega na makiria ugithi na mbere na gukorwo ugikimenyerera gugutiga moko-ini ma Pastor George Gugi na makiria tabarĩra-inĩ ya ikinya gwa ikinya mahinda mothe ni nawe twacemania na unjite Kariuki wa andu ati nigukorwo ngitika. Have a lovely weekend.